A fiery weekend in Portland, with demonstrations against racial injustice and police brutality taking another violent turn. Some demonstrators throwing fireworks and Molotov cocktails at police. At one point, one demonstrator catches on fire. Others scramble to help. Police declaring a riot Saturday. The violence this weekend marking over 100 consecutive nights of unrest. And after 5 nights of clashes in Rochester, New York, church leaders stood between protesters and police, bringing calm after growing outrage over the death of Daniel Prude.
My hope, my prayer is that this won't be in vain, but that both sides will see that we have to reach agreement.
The release of police body camera footage last week showing his arrest sparked immediate backlash.
Nobody truly understands what this is, what this could mean for us.
We need to be able to call the police for help and for help to come to us and not to be afraid that a loved one may lose their life.
Today, President Trump blasting previous nights of unrest.
Now we have Rochester. That's again, Democrat governor, Democrat mayor.
Meanwhile, in Wisconsin, where Jacob Blake was shot 7 times by police and survived, this new message from his hospital bed.
Your life, and not only just your life, your legs, something that you need to move around and move forward in life, could be taken from you like this, man.
Back here in Rochester, another peaceful day today, though barricades are still up at police headquarters. Officers are ready to respond to possible flare-ups overnight.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.